Hello friends, let's see how to insert data using ASP.NET DetailsView Control. And this is the last part of the subseries. So here, if you see, we will be displaying the jobs, and the new button will be presented. And once user clicks the new, it presents the form like this, and there you can insert the value for the columns, and finally one can click the insert. So using the pagination control, user can navigate to a specific record. We know that already, but to insert a new row, they have to click on the new button, then fill all the form fields, and finally click the insert. So that's the flow here. Now let's create this simple example. Alright, let's go to Solution Explorer and add the form. So here is the web form, and now we have a new web form, and we will move to design view. So we will place SQL data source as usual, configure data source, pick the connection string, and pick jobs table. We'll go ahead with jobs 1. Let's have all the fields, and we'll go to advanced because we need insert, right? We need to place a tick mark here to generate the insert statement. Click next, and the data source is ready, and we will place a detail view control now. And here we can pick SQL data source and choose enable paging as well as enable inserting, and auto format this time we are taking slate. So that's all. Insert, we have done it quickly. Now we will run this. Since we are picking data from job 1, it will be easy to perform the insert and update. So the original data will not be collapsed because that's there in the jobs. We are working with the jobs 1. So this navigation you already know. Now we will go ahead with the new, and the job description. Here I am giving a test job 01, and the level, this is a check constraint based columns. So you need to check the database to know what are all the check constraints tied to this min level and max level, or you can give the value as it is here. So I'm giving 45 as min level, and max level I'm giving 65. Insert, and if you go to the last record, you can see the test job 1 is listed here. You can also query in jobs table, and this will list the job which we inserted using the detail view. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.